welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious South Indian breakfast recipe, that is cucumber idli. If you love idlis but then want to try different variation, then this recipe is perfect for you. It's very tasty, healthy, fluffy and packed with a flavor. Let's get started. These are the ingredients I am going to use it in this recipe. First we have to roast bansi rava with ghee in a low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, take one more pan and add grated cucumber. Here I have taken yellow cucumber, that's also called as Madras cucumber, sambar saute, etc. You can also go for normal cucumber. Now add jaggery. Add fresh coconut. Mix well till cucumber blend together with jaggery and coconut. As we are using a grated cucumber, no need to add extra water. Once done, add salt as per taste. And then add 2 cups of roasted bansi suji or bansi rava. Mix thoroughly and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and let the batter sit for about 10 minutes. This helps the suji to absorb the flavors and soften. Now let's set up our steamer. To prepare a idli molds, grease the mold slightly with a oil or a ghee. Then we slowly put cucumber bansi suji batter into each mold. Cover the molds with lid and steam the idlis for 10 to 15 minutes. In this process, one thing we have to remember is we have to make sure there is enough water in the bottom of the steamer. After 15 minutes, open the lid and there you have it. Fluffy, soft cucumber bansi steam idlis ready. These idlis are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. These are fantastic and the cucumber adds a lovely freshness to it. Specialty is, as we already added a jaggery to it, not necessary to pair up this with any chutney or sambar. You can have directly. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give this recipe thumbs up Subscribe to our channel for more such delicious recipes and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. And leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you tried this out. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking!